Here I had a lot of acne and was breaking out. I had pigmentation, my skin was traumatized. This is after using the mask. Skin is skinny.
Now this is the face mask you need if you want to get rid of acne, dark spot, hyperpigmentation. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you effective remedy you can use, home remedy you can use to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation on the skin. What you need for this remedy is aloe vera gel, you need honey, then you need turmeric, and you need rose water for that extra touch. Now let me take you down to the workstation where I'm going to mix everything we're going to apply on the skin. Now this video is very quick, and one thing you need to know about this remedy is that they are very effective. In less than a week you start seeing effective results. Now remember, we're using honey, turmeric, aloe vera gel, and rose water. Now we'll be starting with honey. I'll be going with honey, which is the base ingredient for the dark spot treatment. Now we're using 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. One thing you need to know about honey: why will honey help you to get rid of dark spot and hyperpigmentation? It draws water to your skin because it's an humectant. It gives you that deep hydration your skin needs. And one thing you guys need to know is that the more hydrated your skin is, the more it can get healed even faster. And honey on its own helps to exfoliate your skin, so getting rid of that marks and hyperpigmentation, and also help to promote general healing. If your skin is traumatized due to hyperpigmentation, it will help to heal it and calm it down. So the next thing we'll be needing is turmeric. A whole lot of you do this mistake by using a whole lot of turmeric in your mixture when you are using it for a recipe. You don't need to use too much because turmeric can be a little bit, will I say, too sensitive for, will I say, harsh for a sensitive skin. Yeah, I think that's the word. So you just want to use a pinch of it so that you will not get any irritation on your face or anything, because it works really well for dark mark and help with pigmentation. So we're using turmeric, grounded turmeric. So we'll be using like half tablespoon of turmeric, not pinch. You don't want too much, just half tablespoon, not even up to, just quarter. I don't want to use too much. Then the next thing we'll be going in with our aloe vera gel. We'll be going in with our aloe vera gel. Now, turmeric does for the skin is that turmeric helps to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation as well. It also helps to get rid of dark marks on the skin. It's also an antioxidant for the skin and also promotes healing as well, and helps to brighten the skin. So if your skin is getting brighter, definitely to get rid of dark spots. Honey is helping you to exfoliate, heal your skin as well, hydrate your skin, while turmeric will brighten your skin and also help to get rid of dark marks as well. So the next thing we'll be going in with, the next item we'll be going in is aloe vera gel. So we'll be using 1 tablespoon of our aloe vera gel. We'll be using 1 tablespoon as well of our aloe vera gel into bowl to mix together our mixture. So we are trying to form a paste, a face mask, right? We don't want the paste to be too thick or too light as well, so it will not be running down your face. So the rose water will come later. Now aloe vera gel helps to hydrate your skin. It also helps to give you that deep moisture your skin needs. It's also an humectant that helps to draw water to the skin. It hydrates the skin and also helps to promote healing, burn, wound of your skin. Most times when you have hyperpigmentation, your skin is traumatized, so you need something to heal it really fast. So adding aloe vera gel will promote like instant healing, and it also helps to give you that soothing feeling and moisture on your skin, and also prevent irritation of your skin. This is the end product. Now you see that it's not too thick and it's not too light, so this is what you should be getting at the end of the day when mixing your product all together. Now go ahead and apply it on my face, then I'll wash it out as well. So now what you need to do, turmeric can stain very well, so you can put a towel around you when using it, or you can use it in the bedroom. Any which way is fine, but just know it can stain very well. So I'll go ahead and apply. Now one thing you can also do is that if you know you're someone that turmeric is so harsh on your skin, use it on the areas you have your dark spot. You mustn't use it all over your face. Do you understand? Use it all over. Just use it on the areas you have your dark spots gently and wash it out. Don't use it all over if you know you get irritated easily by turmeric. So go in. Now, I usually love to apply my turmeric before washing my face. Reason is because so I will just use my soap and it will go out. It can come out really well. Like it can come out really, so that it can come out really well. Sometimes I use my micellar water to take it out. I usually would like to apply my turmeric before washing my face, and I think you should do so that you can easily get it out of your face because of the stain and all that. And sometimes I use my micellar water to take it out so that I can really take it out. So now you're going to leave the mask for like 5 to 10 minutes before washing it out. Now you can also use it under your eyes if you have dark areas under your eyes, you have dark circles and all that. If you have darkening of the forehead, you can use me. I'm using it all over my face because it works effectively for almost everything, every skin concern. This mask is very good, very hydrating. So now I'm going to go in with the rose water. This is where the rose water comes in. Water comes into play. Now I already have my rose water in this. Comes into play. I already put some quantity here, so I'll just spray it on my face. Now the reason why I'm adding rose water to this is that I want it to really penetrate into my pores. Do you understand? Because rose water helps product to penetrate into your pores and it helps to clean your pores, so if to decongest my pore as well, and also add hydration to my skin, and also give your face that shining glow your skin actually need, and also help to get rid of dark spots, acne. It helps for acne as well, and hyperpigmentation. We just go in and spray rose water, spray, and it also helps not to cause irritation on your skin. So most times I just go ahead and wash my face, but sometimes I just take it out with my micellar water. Now this is after like 15 minutes, so you can also leave it for 30 minutes if you want. You can. Do you understand? You can even leave it for an hour if possible. So I'll just be taking it out from my face. To use my micellar water because of the stain, right? You know how turmeric can stain your bedroom, stain everything. So it's safer this way. After taking it out, you have less stain on your skin eventually, and staining any other place around your bedroom. And apart from that, turmeric can easily clog your pore. So taking it out with my micellar water will just make sure it comes out of your face without no much drama. Now this is my skin after getting rid of the turmeric mask on my face. You can see how shiny my face look. I've not even moisturized, I've not done anything. I just used my micellar water to take it out. Imagine after moisturizing and doing my skincare routine, my skin is going to itch, right? This is just taking it out with my micellar water, right? My skin is a little bit dry, so I'm still going to wash it out and use moisturizer to be dry. At this moment you can see how glowy my face look, and it looks really brighter than before. Actually, I didn't even leave it for too long to tell you how you can see your skin looks really clear, brighter than before, and looks really smooth as well. It looks really smooth as well. So you want to give this mask a try. If you really want to get rid of acne, hyperpigmentation without spending too much, this is the mask for you. Do this and thank me later.